Already. Just want to show my new Rogue Strix laptop. Oh man. So I'm doing it with one hand here. Okay. Wow, the box looks a little bit dirty. Look at all this lint stuff on here. Alright, coming out of the box, see what we got here. Oh, here's the laptop. Okay, we'll look at that in a bit. See what we got here. Wow. Nothing. Just some warranty stuff. Oh, this power brick. It's actually not too bad. I would thought the size would be much bigger, but yeah. Okay, that's nice. What else I got? Just that's it. Oh my god. That can't be it. Nope. That's it. That's all it has. Next. Alright, let's flip it over. So I'm just doing it with one hand here. Ooh. Looks pretty clean. One-handed. Ooh. So this keyboard is a little bit mushy, but I think it's not too bad. I have a MSI GE. It feels like almost the same as this. It's not bad. Well, so let me power it up, and then let's see how it goes. All right, I'm powering it up now. I just plug it into a wall charger. Just gonna go through the setup. It's probably gonna take a few minutes, but oh, the cool thing I like about this is the power plug goes all the way to the back. So this is nice. It's sitting out on the back and away from everything, so that's nice. And another thing with this is, just want to show you guys this. So yeah, the heat is gonna come out from the back as well. RJ45K connector, HDMI, and that's that for the back, which is, I think, is pretty nice. Most of the HDMIs from the laptop is actually on the side. This one is just hidden on the back, which is really nice. I don't know what these are. Maybe a speaker. Not sure, but could be more ventilation hole in here. But yeah. So I'm just gonna go through all this setup and then see how it goes again. Okay, after silencing Cortana, just want to show you this. Pretty much, oh, the speaker's on the side here. But yeah, here's a USB port and the audio port. Speaker on the side. And cool, this whole thing, so base is lit up. Let's see how it looks like. That is pretty cool. So on this side, there's nothing, no port on this side at all. But I think the color looks pretty cool, right? yeah, after all the setup, probably gonna capture it again and show it to you guys. Just hang in there. So after all the installation and the setup is done, not sure what's going on with my internet. It doesn't seem like it's connecting. It's connected, but it said no internet. So I'll probably have to spend a little bit of time troubleshooting to see what's going on. And other than that, there's not much to it. Um, I think this would be a really nice computer for playing game. I'll have more information on it in a bit, but I just want to go and figure out what's going on with the internet. So just hang in there. Okay, so all it needed is just a restart. That's kind of weird, but yeah, I got it going. And don't worry, I'll be downloading some other browser, but at least the internet's working. So I'll go and start installing other application and see how it goes. Guess what? So after Windows has some update, I was forced to restart the computer, and then also the BIOS prompts showing that there's an update I have to update. So I click OK, and it updated it. And guess what? It boots into this screen. So at first, I figure, oh, maybe it lost some, you know, uh, booting priority. But so here, as you can see here, I can still see the SATA drive and the PCIe drive. So it's still here. But when I go into boot menu, it said that there's no such thing. I couldn't find any boot menu. And then when I go into like advanced mode and looking at under boot, and the truth, I couldn't add any new boot or it couldn't see it, right? So when I go into security and then I try to disable this secure boot, and I did everything. I looked online to see what else is there I could do to get it going, but I couldn't. So later on, I decided to call Asus, and they said that I think after the BIOS update, it lost the window information, so I couldn't boot into window. I don't know how that happened, but so it's my third day owning this computer, and now I'm shipping. They asked me to ship back for recovery, or I could buy a window USB key that they could ship it to me. So it costs $50. So I I still don't know whether I should go and spend that money or I should send this back and get them to do proper recovery. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm kind of frustrated because this BIOS update, I think it comes from the Asus, and after update, I just lost everything. Well, not lost, but I mean, I'm back to where I am. Can't even use this computer now. So every time I tried everything, right? To try the default mode and try to configure the BIOS, but it doesn't do anything. So here is, you can see, right? It still sees the two medias, PCIe and SATA, but normally it would show you the boot priority here. So it seems like somehow it lost everything in window here, and I couldn't find that boot sector. So Very unfortunate. So if you guys have any idea, just please let me know. I'm gonna hang on to it because it's right now it's the weekend. I'm gonna hang on to it for a few days, and I'm still trying to make a decision whether I should purchase the USB key for window recovery or ship it to Asus for repair. That's it, guys. If anybody could help, please give me some suggestion. Thanks.